Cattle pushed higher midweek while grains faltered. Ag Day's Michelle Rook has more in Markets Now.
Wednesday's market closes were mostly lower except for old crop corn and cattle futures, and Kent Beadle is back with analysis. And the grains, we just continue to feel like we're in kind of this risk off mode over there.
Yeah, I think so. There's a couple of major reports coming at us at the end of the month. We have to still be worried about tariffs on April 2nd. And so what you see is, recent strength in the wheat, finding some profit taking, a little bit of recent strength in the soybeans, also finding some profit taking, and yet some value buying in the corn. Corn has underperformed the wheat and the soybeans as of late. And, we've had some a little bit stronger basis levels out there, good livestock conversions and the like. And so, I thought Wednesday's strength was a lot about some value buying from the commercial sector.
Yeah. When we talk about old crop corn, we did see the bull spreads working there, and that's a good indication of demand, right?
It is. And on Wednesday, we had a very good weekly ethanol grind at over 1.1 million barrels per day. Once again, a top week. We continue to run at a pace that's well above the average needed to hit the USDA estimate for ethanol. And of course, we all know that exports have continued to run real strong as well.
And live cattle scored some for the high moves, some all-time highs in the feeders. Were we continuing to get a push from the weather, or was this the cattle on feed report anticipation?
Well, we do have a fairly significant storm moving through the Central Plains, some blizzard conditions in parts of Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, and that always gets the cattle market a little bit excited. But we've got a cattle on feed report. If you look at the average trade guesses, it essentially is a marketplace that's looking for a continuation of a fundamental outlook that still tells us that we don't have nearly enough cattle.
No doubt. All right. Thanks for the analysis, Kent Beadle with Paradigm Futures. We'll have more Ag Day coming out.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.